Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a book that has the potential to change your life. The book is called Deep Work by Cal Newport, and it's a must-read for anyone who wants to succeed in today's world. But before we dive into the book, let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt like you're not able to focus on your work? Do you find yourself constantly checking your phone, scrolling through social media, and getting distracted by notifications? If yes, then you're not alone. In fact, this is a problem that many of us face today. We're living in a world where distractions are everywhere, and it's becoming increasingly difficult to concentrate on our work. As I read through the book, I realized that Cal Newport is not just talking about any ordinary problem. He's talking about a crisis that's affecting our productivity, our creativity, and our overall well-being. He argues that the ability to perform deep work that requires intense focus and concentration, is becoming increasingly rare in today's world, and this is having a profound impact on our lives. We're not able to achieve our goals, we're not able to pursue our passions, and we're not able to live the life we want to live. So, what's the solution to this problem? How can we learn to focus, to concentrate, and to perform deep work in a world that's full of distractions? The answer lies in the book Deep Work. Cal Newport provides us with a comprehensive guide on how to cultivate the ability to perform deep work. He argues that it's not just about avoiding distractions, but about creating a lifestyle that supports deep work. He talks about the importance of setting goals, prioritizing tasks, and creating a schedule that allows for deep work. He also talks about the importance of taking breaks, relaxing, and recharging our batteries. And most importantly, he provides us with practical tips and strategies on how to overcome distractions and stay focused. Before we dive deeper into the book, let me tell you a little bit about the author. Cal Newport is a professor of computer science at Georgetown University. He's also a writer and a speaker who has written several books on topics related to technology, productivity, and culture. Cal Newport is known for his insightful and thought-provoking writing style, and his books have been widely praised by critics and readers alike. In Deep Work, Cal Newport brings his expertise and experience to the table, providing us with a unique perspective on the challenges of performing deep work in today's world. As we read through the book, we realize that Cal Newport is not just talking about theories and concepts. He's talking about real-life experiences and practical strategies that we can use to improve our lives. He draws on a wide range of sources, from psychology and neuroscience to philosophy and culture. And he provides us with examples and case studies of people who have successfully cultivated the ability to perform deep work. Whether you're a student, a professional, or an entrepreneur, you'll find something in this book that resonates with you. One of the things that I found most interesting about Cal Newport's background is his own approach to work. He's a prolific writer and researcher who has published numerous papers and books. And yet, he's also a firm believer in the importance of work-life balance. He argues that deep work is not just about being productive, but about living a meaningful and fulfilling life. And he provides us with practical tips and strategies on how to achieve this balance in our own lives. So, what is deep work, exactly? According to Cal Newport, deep work is work that requires intense focus and concentration. It's work that pushes us to our limits, that challenges us to think critically and creatively. It's work that allows us to make meaningful contributions to our field, to pursue our passions, and to achieve our goals. But deep work is not just about the work itself, it's also about the lifestyle that supports it. It's about creating a schedule that allows for deep work, setting goals and priorities, and avoiding distractions. As we read through the book, we realize that deep work is not just a luxury, but a necessity. It's a necessity for anyone who wants to succeed in today's world. With the rise of technology and social media, we're facing more distractions than ever before. We're constantly being bombarded with notifications, emails, and messages, and we're expected to be constantly connected, constantly available, but this is not sustainable. We need to learn how to disconnect, how to focus, and how to perform deep work. One of the stories that Cal Newport tells in the book is about a guy named Jason, who was a successful entrepreneur. Jason was always connected, always available, and always working, but he was also burnt out, stressed out, and feeling unfulfilled. He realized that he needed to make a change, to create a lifestyle that supported deep work. So, he started setting boundaries, prioritizing tasks, and taking breaks, and he found that his productivity, his creativity, and his overall well-being improved dramatically. So, what are the key lessons that we can learn from the book Deep Work? The first lesson is the importance of focus. Cal Newport argues that focus is a muscle that needs to be exercised regularly. If we don't practice focusing, we'll lose the ability to do so. And this is a problem that many of us face today. We're constantly being distracted, constantly being interrupted, and we're not able to concentrate on our work. But focus is not just about avoiding distractions, it's also about setting goals and priorities. It's about creating a schedule that allows for deep work, and sticking to it. It's about eliminating multitasking, and focusing on one task at a time. And it's about taking breaks, relaxing, and recharging our batteries. When we focus, we're able to achieve more, we're able to achieve better, and we're able to live a more fulfilling life. One of the strategies that Cal Newport provides in the book is the Pomodoro technique. This is a technique where you work in focused, 25-minute increments, followed by a 5-minute break. This technique can be incredibly powerful, as it allows you to stay focused, avoid distractions, and take breaks. And it's not just about the work itself, it's also about the lifestyle that supports it. When we focus, we're able to create a lifestyle that supports deep work, a lifestyle that allows us to pursue our passions, and to achieve our goals. The second lesson that we can learn from the book Deep Work is the importance of scheduling. Cal Newport argues that scheduling is essential for deep work. When we schedule our time, we're able to prioritize tasks, eliminate distractions, and create a lifestyle that supports deep work. We're able to set boundaries, say no to non-essential tasks, and focus on what's truly important. But scheduling is not just about creating a to-do list, it's also about creating a schedule that allows for deep work. It's about blocking out large chunks of time, eliminating multitasking, and focusing on one task at a time. And it's about taking breaks, relaxing, and recharging our batteries. When we schedule our time, we're able to achieve more, we're able to achieve better, and we're able to live a more fulfilling life. One of the strategies that Cal Newport provides in the book is the time block schedule. This is a schedule where you block out large chunks of time for deep work, and schedule breaks in between. This schedule can be incredibly powerful, as it allows you to stay focused, avoid distractions, and take breaks. And it's not just about the work itself, it's also about the lifestyle that supports it. When we schedule our time, we're able to create a lifestyle that supports deep work, a lifestyle that allows us to pursue our passions, and to achieve our goals. The third lesson that we can learn from the book Deep Work is the importance of avoiding distractions. Cal Newport argues that distractions are the enemy of deep work. When we're distracted, we're not able to focus, we're not able to concentrate, and we're not able to perform deep work. And this is a problem that many of us face today. We're constantly being distracted, constantly being interrupted, and we're not able to achieve our goals. But avoiding distractions is not just about turning off our phones or closing our laptops. It's also about creating a lifestyle that supports deep work. It's about setting boundaries, saying no to non-essential tasks, and focusing on what's truly important. It's about eliminating multitasking and focusing on one task at a time. And it's about taking breaks, relaxing, and recharging our batteries. When we avoid distractions, we're able to achieve more, we're able to achieve better, and we're able to live a more fulfilling life. One of the strategies that Cal Newport provides in the book is the Internet Sabbath. This is a strategy where you avoid the internet for a certain period of time, say 24 hours, to focus on deep work. This strategy can be incredibly powerful, as it allows you to stay focused, avoid distractions, and take breaks. And it's not just about the work itself, it's also about the lifestyle that supports it. When we avoid distractions, we're able to create a lifestyle that supports deep work, a lifestyle that allows us to pursue our passions and to achieve our goals. In conclusion, the book Deep Work by Cal Newport is a must-read for anyone who wants to succeed in today's world. It provides us with practical tips and strategies on how to cultivate the ability to perform deep work, how to avoid distractions, and how to create a lifestyle that supports deep work. Whether you're a student, a professional, or an entrepreneur, you'll find something in this book that resonates with you. So, what can you do to start cultivating the ability to perform deep work? First, start by setting goals and priorities. Identify what's truly important to you, and focus on that. Second, create a schedule that allows for deep work. Block out large chunks of time. Eliminate multitasking, and focus on one task at a time. Third, avoid distractions. Turn off your phone, close your laptop, and find a quiet place to work. And finally, take breaks, relax, and recharge your batteries. As you start cultivating the ability to perform deep work, you'll find that your productivity, your creativity, and your overall well-being will improve dramatically. You'll be able to achieve your goals, pursue your passions, and live a more fulfilling life. So, don't wait any longer. Start reading the book Deep Work today, and start cultivating the ability to perform deep work. You won't regret it. In the end, it's up to us to create a lifestyle that supports deep work. It's up to us to set goals, prioritize tasks, and avoid distractions. It's up to us to take breaks, relax, and recharge our batteries. And it's up to us to pursue our passions and to achieve our goals. So, let's get started today, and let's create a lifestyle that supports deep work. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. As we conclude this video, I want to leave you with a final thought. The ability to perform deep work is a skill that can be developed over time. It's a skill that requires practice, patience, and persistence, but it's a skill that's worth developing, because it can have a profound impact on our lives. When we're able to perform deep work, we're able to achieve more, we're able to achieve better, and we're able to live a more fulfilling life. So, don't give up, even if you find it challenging to focus, to concentrate, and to avoid distractions. Keep trying, keep practicing, and keep persevering. And most importantly, don't be too hard on yourself. Remember that it's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to get distracted. And it's okay to take breaks. The key is to learn from our mistakes, to get back on track, and to keep moving forward. As you embark on this journey of cultivating the ability to perform deep work, I want to wish you all the best. I want to wish you success, happiness, and fulfillment. And I want to remind you that you're not alone. There are many people out there who are also on this journey, who are also struggling to focus, to concentrate, and to avoid distractions. But together, we can support each other, we can encourage each other, and we can achieve greatness. In the end, I want to leave you with a quote from Cal Newport, the author of the book Deep Work. He says, "The ability to perform deep work is becoming increasingly rare in today's world. But it's not just a luxury, it's a necessity. It's a necessity for anyone who wants to succeed, who wants to achieve their goals, and who wants to live a fulfilling life." I hope these words have inspired you. I hope they have motivated you. And I hope they have encouraged you to start cultivating the ability to perform deep work. As you close this video, I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for listening. And I want to thank you for being part of this journey. I hope you've learned something new. I hope you've been inspired. And I hope you've been motivated to take action. And most importantly, I hope you've enjoyed the journey. I hope you've had fun. And I hope you've been entertained. So, until next time, goodbye, and thank you for watching. May you be successful, may you be happy, and may you be fulfilled. And may you always remember the importance of deep work, the importance of focus, and the importance of avoiding distractions. Thank you, and goodbye.